आयतारा बोरयेची ग्रामसभा जाली। हे खेपे सरपंच पत्रकारांचेर उसाळलो। पंचायत मंडळ वा सरपंचाचो स्टँड पत्रकारांनी उजवाडा काढलो ना। बोरयेचो सरपंच डॉमिंगो वाजान पत्रकारांचेर आरोप केलो। हावज आनी वेपारी कर वाडयला ही वाड उणी करपाचेरय भासाभास जाली। पंचायती केनावळ मेळोवपा खातीर कर वाडोवपाची सरकारा कडल्यान अधिसुचोवणी आसली। ते प्रमाण पंचायतीन कर वाडोवपाचो विशय मांडलो। कर वाडोवप परवडचे ना अशी जाप थळाव्यांनी दिली। 6 म्हयन्या भितर ह्या विशयाचेर नियाळ घेतले। तशेंच इस्कॉन प्रकल्पाची पंचायतीक म्हायती ना। उच्च अधिकाऱ्यांच्या सुचोवण्या प्रमाण बेतके रस्तो बांदपा खातीर फकत एनओसी दिल्या अशेंय ताणें सांगले।
The electronic media present for the said Gram Sabha highlighted all the negative aspects of the Gram Sabha. It would have been appropriate if they would have been taken into consideration the views of the Sarpanch of village Panchayat Borim, who was the chairman of Gram Sabha. This has sent the wrong message between the people of state of Goa. Hence, I have no choice to call you and talk to you to put forth my views as a Sarpanch of village Panchayat Borim. First main important issue which was discussed very briefly during the Gram Sabha was house tax assessment. Government of Goa, Directorate of Panchayat, issued a notice, Series 1, number 47, dated 17 February 2022, wherein the Schedule 3 under Section 153 of Goa Panchayat Raj Act 1994 was amended and the rate of house tax were revised and fixed to be rupees 40 per square meter for residential areas, rupees 200 per square meter for commercial premises. Village Panchayat Borim further classified the said rates for RCC and non-RCC structure, giving 30% flat discount and was placed before the Gram Sabha. The grievances of Gram Sabha was considered that the poor people will face hardship toward the payment of said house tax. Hence, 30% of the existing mud houses, the rate was fixed to be rupees 50 per structure, irrespective of size. The revised rate as rupees 28 per square meter for RCC, rupees 14 for non-RCC were approved in the Gram Sabha held on 30th April 2023 and accordingly they were implemented by the Panchayat. Suddenly this Gram Sabha and subsequent letters from the villagers addressed the grievances to the Panchayat. Since the Panchayat is within the framework of law and the rates are fixed as per as the notification, there cannot be any change in the said rates. Discussion on ISKCON project. There is no single document inwarded in the office of the village Panchayat Borim towards the ISKCON project, except the approach road at Bedki in village Panchayat Borim. The permission for the said road is given under the order of Additional Directorate of Panchayat. Second, Margaon, and after the permission of PWD and TCP Honda. Village Panchayat Borim be glad if the Panchayat received any information about the project, and the permission would be granted only if the project in the framework of law and approved by all the department concerned, and most importantly after the discussion with the public in the village, because their view is more important to Panchayat. In view of Panchayat is is the project should be within the framework of law, self-sustainable, without disturbing the ecology and natural resources in the panchayat. As per the provision of Goa Panchayat Raj Act 1994, and if any person aggrieved by the discussion of panchayat, he or she can always go for appeal and approve oneself in the appropriate court of law and get the order accordingly to amend, modify, revoke any permission given by the panchayat.
GOA365 खातीर नितीक्षा गांवकार, कृष्णा नायक आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू.